Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily add social media links or social media buttons, icons for your store in BigCommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on storefront and go to social media links. When you're here, you want to add social media links you want to have on your site. So let's go here and let's go here. So we got a Facebook and Instagram. And let's just fill here your Instagram and Facebook account that you want to share. Then you want to click save. And now you want to go to My Themes. In My Themes, you want to click here on customize your current theme, or quite simple. Now you want to go here on header and footer. In header and footer, just scroll down and you will find it here, social media icons. Social accounts must be set up to use this feature. We already done that. So show social media icons. As you can see on the right upper corner, we can see them. Or you can also like go with a footer placement to right. So see, really simple, really easy. And this is how you actually make it. Also, what I want to show you, when you're going to click on buttons and icons and you're going to scroll down, you can see the icons that you can change the color of icon if you want to red, to blue, to whatever. This is really limited because let's say that I want to use different color for Facebook and different color for Instagram, but you're not able to do that. So it is what it is, as there is a stoicism saying, it is what it is. And this is the only way. This is the way how we can add social media buttons. So if you have any questions, just ask down below and I will try to help you. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me, subscribe. I'll be kind of thankful for it. And that's kind of it. So thank you all. I hope you're going to have a great day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.